Traditionally, the specifications have limited the base station's transmit power at the connector to the base station antenna, and the specifications have not traditionally concerned themselves with the base station antenna itself. Frankly, because the base station antenna is a difficult thing to measure, and incorporating the base station antenna into power measurements gets you involved in asking, okay, what is the power transmitted over the air by the antenna? It's difficult to measure. So traditionally, in specifying, in limiting the power that a base station can transmit, we've ended up with architectures like this. A base station cabinet containing digital signal processing equipment and, in the transmitter, digital to analog converters. Coming out of here, assuming a base station with a single transmit antenna, we have a single base station antenna connector. And you could measure the power there. There might, however, be a situation in which we have external components to the base station. For example, a tower top amplifier comprising an external amplifier, external filters, and so on. We might wish to measure the base station's transmitted power at the far end of their of those components. Well, we can still do that in 5G. Because in 5G, the specifications take account of the fact that there might be some traditional base stations in which we measure the transmitted power in the traditional way. On the other hand, there might be other base stations in which, because of the use of antenna arrays, that is no longer appropriate. That leads to the existence of various different types of base station, denoted 1C, 1H, 1O, and 2O, and various different ways of measuring the base station's transmitted power.